Hi everyone, welcome back to my Healthy Lifestyle Vlogs YouTube channel. Today we are talking about my 5 lifestyle tips and tricks. Trick number 1. How I make healthy food for my breakfast. I boil 3 to 5 eggs and cut them half. And put some salt and pepper. And also I got a water with a squeezed lemon. That's for my breakfast. Trick number 2. How I manage my time for my daily routine exercise. Every day I manage my time between my time routine. I get few hours for my exercise like running and cycling, and my home exercise. Trick number 3. How I spend time with my family. After job I have a few hours to spend with my family. Sometimes we are going for dinner and going for movie and seaside park with a kid. Trick number 4. How many hours I sleep in my daily routine. It's important to sleep 7 to 8 hours for healthy life, so I always recommend good sleep for good health. Trick number 5. How many hours I'm going for my job. I work 5 days a week and normally 8 hours per day. So I got the plenty of time to do my exercise and spend time with my family. See you guys in my next video. If you like my videos, and please share my videos with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.